Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily remove extensions in Google Chrome. Whether you're cleaning up your browser or just getting rid of some unused tools, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Open Google Chrome and tap on this icon. Now tap on the three horizontal dots and select Remove from Chrome. Now it will be removed from Google Chrome. Tap on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner and tap on Extension. To wrap up, simply tap on Remove and it will be removed from your Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.